Hey guys, I got this mouse from redragon, I guess. Not red dragon, red dragon. Yeah, I don't know. So it actually says kindly register your product on redragon.in. So I'm in like India, so that's what it means. It's better if you register. You'll get a warranty and everything. You get to access it and all. So let's get to unboxing this. It's like a tape. You can just peel it off, really. Yeah, I'll just peel it off. Oh no, it's showing adhesive. Come on, I'm really struggling with this. I hope this unboxing will be helpful for you guys. I like tried for like hours and this is what I wanted finally as a mouse for my laptop. And here you can see my laptop. That's my laptop. The left hinge is broken. I don't know how to fix it. Here are the parts. It's a pretty good laptop. It's HP laptop NV17 GeForce NV. It's old, I guess, but still pretty good. So yeah, let's get unboxing to this. I didn't open it. I was waiting to just review it on this. So let's get to it. I'm gonna open this. I'm really bad at unboxing. How do you open this? Okay. Yeah, the unboxing wasn't great. It's okay though. I'll just show you. I'll get it out. Oh, it smells nice. It's so soft. Never had a gaming mouse. Here. That's what it looks like. It has a USB. So put that to the side. What's this? I thought they'd give some CD or something. I don't know what that's. Oh, wait. Nice. There's a sticker. Just the manual. I'm keeping the box. Gotta keep the box. It's waste if you don't. Yeah, I'll open it, close it later. I may put this sticker on the laptop, maybe. Maybe, yeah. Oh, this gaming mouse. Look at it. This DPI scroll is amazing. Fingers, all it's perfect. So actually put it. I'm gonna take this tie off. They knotted this thing. Should have just done this before. It's long, bro. It's so long, and I don't have that much big of a desk. I'll show you. I'm like 6 feet. It's so long. Just put my mouse pad. This is just like mouse pad from a photocopy or something. I forgot the company. I don't have a legit mouse pad, okay? Don't judge me. Plug it in. Dang, it's long. Oh, look at that. It's working directly. It changes colors when you change the DPI. Oh, I'm at the max, I think. Yeah, that was the max. The second DPI is nice. So I don't know what name is Gainer. Model is m610. So it's 5 volts and all. It's pretty good. Let me see the box. Some information in the box, I guess. It's just the names. Got it from Amazon, obviously. It's the only thing we can trust in India. Flipkart's also given to China. No way we're buying from that. So I can play Fortnite now with this and all. CSGO. I actually used to play with my Xbox controller. My Xbox are actually like fused up and they blew the whole living room. And we didn't fix it till now. We don't know how to fix it. Oh man, I love it, bro. It's red, blue. It has it on this side too. Me off the light. Purple. I like purple. Blue and purple were nice. Dang, that's nice, bro. Okay, bye guys. See you on the next video. I'm getting a EKSA E1000 headset. And my brother's gonna get some headset. Bye.